This is an ecosystem. Please try to understand. There's an ecosystem, there's a mindset which is working.
My younger and elder brother, specifically my younger brother, my dearest Vishnu Jain, मैं उनसे नहीं कह रहा, मैं उनके थ्रू देश से कह रहा हूँ कि कब तक ये कहते रहोगे इकोसिस्टम उनका है। 11 साल से कौन है सरकार में? कब तक ये कहते रहोगे कि सरकार हमारी है, सिस्टम उनका है, पावर उनके पास है असली? कब तक कहते रहोगे? आखिर में गलती किसकी है? आखिर में कौन लॉ मिनिस्टर खड़ा हुआ बोला कि ये क्या गलत बोल रहे हैं? नाउ लेट मी कम टू दैट ब्रूटल ट्रूथ। Pranesh, if the chief justice had said to an aggrieved Muslim asking for a mosque containing the revered prophet's relic to be restored as what happened 60 years ago, go ask your Allah or your prophet to do something, go pray to them. You know, there'd be a million calls for Sar Tan se juda. But the fact is, it is easy to abuse and mock Hindus. They don't behead transgressors. Their politicians don't stand for them. Their government doesn't stand for them. They prefer silence. But let this shameful episode not make you believe, Pranesh, that the Supreme Court is acting against the Hindus for the first time. Absolutely not. Let me give you some clear-cut instances where the Supreme Court, in overlooking as well as overseeing blatant discrimination against the Hindus, not only seeded resentment, it actually stoked the possibility of religious wars in this country. Number one, Kashmiri Hindus. Supreme Court refused to open the case of criminality in 1990 against the Kashmiri Hindus, saying, quote, too much time had elapsed. This after the same Supreme Court continued an SIT to look into the cases of criminality in 1984 against the Sikhs that happened 6 years before the Kashmir Hindu genocide. If this is not seeding resentment among Hindus and stoking religious wars, what is? Let me not talk about the Waqf Act. Let me not talk about the state control of temples. Let me not talk about the RTE. Let me not talk about the free speech. You rush in to call any speech against Islam as hate speech, but call hate speech against Hinduism as any speech. Is this not seeding resentment? What about Hindu ritualistic practices? Animal sacrifice is banned for Hindus, but halal is allowed for Muslims, even though both are religious rituals. Places of worship act, Sabrimala judgment. There are many Hindu temples where the men are barred entry. So was there discrimination or perceived discrimination? CIA protest, Shaheen Bagh, anti-CA protest resulted in terrible Delhi riots. But with the blockade, blatant illegality of it, Supreme Court allowed it despite recognizing illegality. So let's not talk about this happening for the first time.